day to night simple animation Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, opening the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the app is launched, wait a few moments for it to load completely before beginning your project. After everything is ready, press the Create New Project button to start a new editing project. Configure the project according to your preferences, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, locate the plus button and press it to add media to your timeline. Import both a day footage and a night footage into the project. You can position the night footage below the day footage or place the day footage below the night footage, depending on the direction of the transition you want to create. Once the clips are arranged correctly, select the footage that is placed on the top layer. With the top layer selected, open the Effects menu and press Add Effect to access the effect browser. Inside the effect browser, use the search function to find the wipe effect. When you locate it, add the wipe effect to the selected footage. After applying the effect, open the wipe effect settings. Locate the start parameter and enable keyframing by turning on the start keyframe option. Set the first keyframe value to 0% at the beginning of the transition. This ensures that the top footage is fully visible when the effect starts. Next, move forward a few frames on the timeline and create a second keyframe. Increase the start value for the second keyframe. Continue increasing the value until the top footage gradually disappears, revealing the footage underneath. To make the transition look smoother, open the feather setting within the wipe effect and adjust it until the edge of the transition appears soft and natural. Continue fine-tuning the feather value until you are satisfied with the result. Finally, add a curve to the keyframes to smooth out the animation and create a more natural transition. By following these steps, you can successfully create a day-to-night transition effect in Alight Motion.